Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Honor Magic V2 and let me share with you how to change system language on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Updates. Then let's tap on Language and Input and tap on Language and Region. And right here we've got the list of kind of applied languages. We've got English and Spanish, so let's tap on Add a Language, and here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So simply find yours and tap on it, and let me choose maybe Turkish. Just tap, and your device will ask you if you want to change the system language to the chosen one. So just tap on Change. And as you can see, it will immediately appear at the top of the list, and from now on the whole system and the whole menu will be displayed in the chosen language. If you've got more than one language added here, you can simply reorder them to quickly change the language. So just tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the first position. And as you can see, again, we've got English. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on Delete, mark the languages, and tap on Remove. Confirm it with tapping on OK, and here we've got only English or any other language left. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.